Kadochikok, cu deporte.
Awe hobby paviamento com o sindicato de treinadores de futebol de Holanda entregar que contra Giovanni Franca, que é o hoofdtrainer de RVPH, que subir para top classe. Franca a reaccionar com ele tinha acordo com o KNVB que no momento que ele logra seu TC1, ele vira head coach, pero agora Cor Lenz da head coach. Franca na visita com o dia 31 de maio, ele começa com o curso de TC1 e para KNVB não tem nenhum problema. Tem conversação com o Giovanni Franca, ele se pergunta, quem pediu sindicato de treinadores de futebol de Holanda para investigar Giovanni Franca? Um ponto que me dilante de nossa conversação com Aruba, desde 2 meses está suficiente, mirando o nível de nosso futebol. Outro guerra de nosso futebol. E a última vez de playoff, Best of the 5 de basquetebol junior, estava tão interessante. Público não muito grande chega para presenciar a juega final entre Eso Heights e Aruba Juniors, categoria junior. Depois que o juega anterior, tem 3 refs para a juega Cana Smooth. Para a última juega, tem solamente 2 refs. Seguro, de 3 hace falta. A juega mês do primeiro quarto, Aruba Juniors dilante 21-18. De 2 quartos, en Muchanandi San Nicolás está para arriba e a juega está 37-34. De 3 quartos, Constante sigue mescos, que mucha de SOIs un bom defense. SOIs está uma vantagem de 57-50. De 4 quartos, mucha de SOIs começa a hustle mais e sigue um bom defense. Certo momento está em vantagem de 12 pontos. E mucha de Aruba Junior está bounce back, corta vantagem, tem 4 pontos. Pero parte que a perjudicar Aruba Junior mais, está com era 15 free shot em último quarto. O partido está finalizado 76-68 para SOIs, que logra el título de junior. Un jugador más valioso a resulta Oscar Benita de SOIs, mientras que el top scorer del campeonato queda Juan Hernández con averaje de 22 puntos para juega.
I'm happy with them. They play hard and they come out strong and they play defense. Defense bring offense and we win the game.
You work hard on the condition from this guy because we're running all around.
Of course, the 2 of us will be working on them for condition. He's a condition trainer, I'm a defense trainer.
And these guys will stay for the next year because all of them is young, no?
Yeah, for September, the same guys, same group staying together.
Team together, so you will have a good junior team for next year, for next competition.
Of course.
Yes, so let's say for SO High itself, it's good for SO High. So yes, because getting a championship after a long time, it's good, no?
Yeah. So they do good, they deserve it, they work hard for it.
They work hard. And you work hard also with them?
Of course, 2 of us.
2 of us.
Yeah.
These guys just come to training, like how you plan with them, everything. They'll be on the course every day for training?
Sometimes, not all the time, because most of them go in school in the night and working.
Yeah.
That's
a part of it. It's tough to get all of them on the court.
But school and work come first.
But at the games, you give the order and they follow it.
Yeah, they just got to listen and do what we told them to do.
And get focused.
Yes.
Coach asistente de Aruba Juniors, that elogio para el team ganador.
Yeah, that's true. We missed a lot of free throws. They actually out-scrambled us. They out-hustled us on loose balls. And then a lot of times we just couldn't convert on some of our layups. A lot of times we approached the basket and they just played a tougher defense that we couldn't get the ball off and get a good shot. We got inside, but again, their defense was tough. They're also longer than us. So you have to go up higher, and since we can't go up any higher than what we are, yeah.
In the last quarter, the layups that you all missed is part of the game, but they missed too much layups, huh?
Yeah, we missed a lot of layups. We were attacking the basket. Yeah, I can't really say anything beyond they played a good game. And the best team always wins.
So you're happy with your guys still, the sub-champion?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely, no doubt about it. If we would have played them again, I don't think the outcome would be the same. I'm sure we would win. But today was their night. The best team won. Simple as that. And it was the last game of the season. Congratulations to them.
In het deporte, dia wordt ganhar, dia wordt perder. E tem juega caminho da equipe de SOIs a mostrar melhor defesa, a hustle muito mais, estava em bom shooting e na logra que título de junior, para bem na time de SOIs. Ronnie?